Constantly tired, sluggish, or just off, even after sleeping well or eating right? I'm Dr. Garima Gaur, Chief Wellness Officer at the Wellness Co. And if that sounds like you, I'm going to show you a science-backed way to feel dramatically better in just 45 minutes. At the Wellness Co, we use cutting-edge IV drips that are used by top celebrities, athletes, and global wellness centers. Today, I'll break down what IV therapy is, why is it so popular, and who it's really for. IV therapy is a simple medical-grade wellness treatment where essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are delivered directly into your bloodstream. This means your body absorbs almost 100% of these nutrients compared to just 20 to 50% when you take supplements orally. This fast-track delivery system is why clients feel an almost instant lift in energy, mood, skin glow, and overall well-being. Our bodies today are under constant stress. Poor nutrition, long working hours, pollution, travel, and the list goes on. Even if you eat well, chances are you're not absorbing enough nutrients. IV therapy helps bridge this gap quickly, supporting immunity, skin health, hydration, energy, detoxification, and even weight loss. In fact, research shows IV vitamin C can cut fatigue scores up to 50% after just a few sessions. And IV glutathione and NAD+ are one of the most potent anti-aging tools we have today. It's quick, safe, and relaxing. After a consultation, we select your drip based on your health goals. If needed, we use OligoScan to instantly assess mineral and heavy metal levels and blood tests to check key vitamins and health markers. A small IV line is placed by our certified nurse and the infusion takes around 30 to 45 minutes while you relax in your IV lounge. Short answer, almost anyone. Busy professionals who want sharper focus, brides and grooms prepping for their big day, athletes recovering from workouts, frequent travelers fighting jet lag, people recovering post-illness, and anyone who just wants to feel or look their best. It's customizable and it's always done under medical supervision. We have curated a premium range of IV drips designed to target specific goals. NAD+ drip delivers nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, a powerful coenzyme that supports anti-aging, cellular repair, and energy metabolism. Radiance drip combines nano-concentrated glutathione with potent antioxidants for brighter, healthier skin. Beauty Boost drips blend biotin, vitamin C, and glutathione to nourish skin, hair, and nails. Too Fit to Quit drips use taurine and amino acids to enhance energy and recovery levels, and Fat Burner drip includes L-carnitine, glutamine, and amino acids to support metabolism and fitness goals. We also have detox IVs that help flush out toxins with high dose of antioxidants, while our pre- and post-surgery drips are packed with essential micronutrients to aid healing and recovery. Along with these, you will find many more IVs customized to your individual health goals at our clinics. Pre-event glow-ups, post-travel recovery, immunity boost during flu season, or simply as a part of your regular wellness care. IV therapy is flexible and can be done weekly, fortnightly, or monthly depending on your goals. IV therapy isn't a trend. It's a science-backed way to feel sharper, stronger, healthier, and more energized from within. So if you want to know which IV drip could work for you, book a consultation with our expert at the Wellness Co. And tell me in the comments what's the biggest energy drain you struggled with. I'd love to help you out. Like this video and subscribe for more wellness tips, and I'll see you in the next one.